Yes, Etsy family. I hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm looking at alternative places for selling digital products. And one of them, which a lot of people have been asking me to do, is Gumroad, man. So I'm going to do a very quick look at Gumroad, look at whether it's going to be suitable for us sellers and whether it's something as a good alternative to do. But as usual, if you love digital products, you know, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share because we love to share. Guys, look, Etsy is a fantastic place to sell digital products, to be honest with you. The marketplace is crazy. Sellers, buyers are on there all the time looking for stuff. It's a proper established place. It's a frenzy. It's busy. People are on there. You can find those nuggets. You're a winner, guys. You will win. But what I'm saying is, well, let's look at alternatives. I'm down with alternatives, man. I love alternatives. Listen, I'm a firm believer in don't put all your eggs in one basket, man. You got to spread yourself. You got to make sure if something happens to your Etsy account, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You'll be stuck. So what we have to do is you have to look at alternatives. I'm going to do a series of these, guys. I'm going to look at alternative places to sell these fantastic digital products. And I'm going to do a series of this. I'm going to do a playlist. So if you're down with that, just put playlist in the comment, please, man. And look, today I'm going to be looking at Gumroad. But if you want a tutorial on exactly how to create a listing too, then put tutorial in that comments, man, right now. But listen, let's look at Gumroad, right? This is Gumroad right now. Now, there's a few bits that I want to kind of talk about, right? This is the website. So what you've got here is you've got features, you've got pricing, you've got a blog, and you've got Discover. Discover is literally where you can find products, right? It's like your search bar, but let's just leave that for a second. We'll come back to that. And then obviously here you can click start selling, and then you can make sure you log in once you've got your account set up, right? So look, it talks about start selling, it talks about how much you can actually sell your product. It gives us some people that are selling already. And look, it gives you an idea the way that Gumroad works, right? There's a method with Gumroad, right? It talks about the Gumroad way. Starting small, learn quickly, get better together, right? They got this kind of motto. Now, look, it is a place to sell digital products for sure. And I think it's a place where they're trying to push digital products actually. But it's all kinds of digital products. Look, they actually do this. I mean, I like their colors. It's like a cartoony kind of style. They talk about making your own road, right? Your own sort of pathway, if you like, for what you're trying to sell. And it says you can sell anything from video lessons, physical products, all kinds of things. And actually, if I show you right now, I mean, here they're obviously showing people that are selling stuff. It's almost like a review of the people. There's a few of these here. But look, I want to show you something real quick, These are the kind of things that you can actually sell on Gumroad, right? So you got things like craft tools, used at DreamWorks or Pixar, popular tags, Blender, 3D modeling, audio stuff. Look, you got popular tags like meditation, audio, hypnosis, subliminal, business and money, Notion templates, investing, Instagram stuff, graphics, novels, art, comic art, manga, anime, designs. You got things like mockups, fonts, textures, and other things like clip art designs and so on. Drawing and painting. You got Procreate, brushes, art, educational stuff here, learning stuff, certificate, exams, fictional books, poetry, filter, film effects, fitness and health, workout programs, gaming stuff, music, sound, photography stuff, stock photos, recorded music, self-improvement, coloring pages. Look at that. Coloring page, printables here, right? Software development, writing and publishing, ebooks and so on. So there are different categories here, guys. There are different categories. Obviously, the digital products that we sell, you can actually also include, as long as it's a digital. I mean, like I said, they even sell physical products, guys. They even can sell physical products. But let's just have a look at this. I just want to go into this a little bit more with regards to pricing. I just want to explain this very quickly. Look, it's got a 10% flat fee, right? So there's no monthly charges, and they just take a cut from every sale. So 10% flat fee. But there are also other charges. So with regards to payment fees and so on. So it's definitely a bit more than 10%, that you'll be paying for every sale that you do. Other things that ask for frequently asked questions. What can I sell on Gumroad? And it tells you digital products, physical products, memberships, digital artist stuff, and so forth. So there's a lot of digital product angles, right? And then you can check the rest. Now I'm gonna go up to the Discover. This is Discover. This is where you actually can find the product. So it's literally, the search bar. So once you click Discover, you got you can actually come and look at stuff. So look, this is kind of what it looks like. This is how the listings are, if you like. These are the staff picks you've got here, which are like the ones that they've highlighted. You got products by category. So you got design, let's say here, software development. Again, they're trying to make the navigation quite easier for you guys and me, and so forth, right? So that will be when you click Discover. So you can actually go in straight into a niche that you're interested in, let's say for design, and go straight into that. But yeah, let's say you want to look for something specific. So let's say you want to look at mug mockups. I'll just go that, for example. Mug mockups, yeah? Click enter. Okay, so obviously, look, here you've got your mug animated, you got your mockups here on your listing. This is how it'd come up. All kinds of these different listings. You can see that the style of the listing is different to what we're used to, let's say, on Etsy, right? But you can see that they do have, let's say if we look at this one, you can sort of scroll through the different sort of images that you can upload and so on. And then you got their pricing on the purple ticket. You can see it here. Like this one's $4.99. This one looks like it's a freebie. They've done it 0 as a freebie. It's got 4.5 ratings, 62 reviews. So you can kind of let's just click on this one, for example. So coming into the listing will look something like this. This is a coffee cup animated mock-up. And then when you come into it, you can see that the ratings will be here on the side. You got some of the information here, and you got all the ratings over there, right? And you got the information, if you like, on the product description, and you've got all these kind of tags that they've used. All of these are tags. That's a lot. They even got Etsy. 62 ratings, right? So it's got 82% 5-star. And obviously you can check and see, and then you can obviously, if you're happy with it, you add it to cart, right? I mean, this one's gone for 0, so that's a freebie, really. I guess they want to kind of also, when you got a freebie, it kind of helps to build your reviews, and then you can obviously price up later. So this is when you actually search for something specific. This is how it comes up. Now look, you've got all these are all different still mock-ups. There's a lot of these here. This is kind of how it looks. So what I would do is, this is personally what I would do. I mean, look, I'm a firm believer of having alternatives, right? So using the niche that you're in, come over to Gumroad, go to the search bar, and it could be anything that you're looking for, whatever niche you're in, because obviously you might want to sell something like, I don't know, it could be clip art, right? Let's see if clip art comes up with stuff. Right, and then it can, sometimes when you click clip art, it will give you other options that you can look at. What kind of clip art? Look, there's some Mid-Journey AI prompts, which is quite interesting. But let's say you're just happy with these and you just want to look through, then obviously you can go and look through the different clip arts that are here. Look, there's even gnomes, man. The gnomes are here again. Look, the gnome creator brush pack for Procreate is here. You got these fantasy inks. You got these Mid-Journey prompts. Oh, they're selling Mid-Journey prompts on here too, mate. Look at that. More Mid-Journey prompts. Look at this one. So let's click and you know, obviously you'd go down. One of them ones where it just keeps going down and down and down and down, and it keeps going on and on and on and on. Yeah. But look at these. So like if I wanted to look at, you know, what you should do is if you want to sell on this, obviously you want to see something that is similar. So I don't know. It could be something like, you know, you got some clip arts. You'd want to see something like these clip arts, how they are, what they're selling for. Try and obviously position yourself in a place where that you're competitive with the rest. And then let's say Mid-Journey. Let's go to Mid-Journey. These prompts, it's 4.6. It's selling at $10 each. Quite cool. Okay. And obviously we know we've seen this one on Etsy. But you see, I mean, look, this one's selling. You know, it's got 25 ratings already. I don't know how long this one's been out for. And I don't have like a sort of software where I can link with it. I need to look and see if there is actually. This is all the detail for it. Delivery, instant download. It's already got 25 ratings, which is interesting. Going for $9.99. I'm trying to see where the actual reviews, if there's any reviews anywhere. Can't see. It does tell you the sales though. Here, it does tell you the sales. So the sales, 19 sales are here. Okay, it's got 19 sales. Okay, it's got 25 ratings, right? And this is the listing, right? That's what it looks like. This is what a listing would look like. Now, like I said, if you're looking to do if you want a tutorial on exactly how to list on Gumroad, then please let me know. Then I'll do a quick tutorial listing on Gumroad. I'm very, very happy to do that. It's real simple. Yeah, you got Kawaii, you got all sorts. So look, I mean, let's have a look at something else just very quickly. What about Tumblr Wraps? Did I actually do Tumblr? Tumblr Wraps. So they do have Tumblr Wraps as well. Let's have a look at these. Okay, so you got these Tumblr Wrap designs. Some people are selling these Tumblr Wraps. I'm looking at these. I want to see. I would love to know how recent these are. There's no ratings on those ones. Or there. You got your 3D style. Yeah, so I mean, look, you got your digital products. And then you've got all these categories here as well. I mean, aside from that, you got your categories here, then you got your subcategories. If you want to search in this way. Okay? And you can even search through price, and you can actually search through ratings on the side here as well. You got ratings, so the higher if you want it. You've also got other products. So if you're gone on to, say for example, I've just been searching for design related stuff, then obviously I've also got other digital products, which you can see here. Look, so it tells you how many like listing. You got mug designs here. You got Tumblr sublimation 17. So the amount of numbers are not a huge amount of numbers. I mean, you know, you can't really compare it to Etsy's marketplace, really, in that sense. You know, it's not really, it's an alternative, but I don't think, obviously Etsy is massive, and I don't think Gumroad can be compared to it in terms of that size of people coming on here. But what it is it's an alternative, and this is what you have to look at it as. It's about finding as many alternatives as possible. You know, Shopify, for example, is another alternative. Again, you know, this may need more marketing than Etsy. Etsy's marketplace is pretty much, you can upload and people are coming to it. You don't really need to do too much external marketing, really. I mean, you can do in-house marketing in terms of ads, but in terms of marketing with Gumroad, it looks like there may need to be more marketing in terms of external marketing to sort of drive in the traffic. Okay, that's what I kind of noticed. You got Canva mockup. Okay, Canva mockup. Yeah, so I definitely think. Look, I think that any alternative is a good alternative, right? Anything that can get some kind of revenue is good. Obviously, like I keep saying, it may not be the size of Etsy, but obviously, look, Etsy is a special kind of size. It's huge, it's massive. So it's gonna be hard to get to the size of them. Here they show you some of the best-selling ones, the staff picks for their designs, best-selling products. A lot of sort of. I mean, some of their best-selling. These are some of their best-selling products. I mean, it says hot and new products. You got some of these best-selling products. I mean, this one's selling really well. I mean, this one's like a user interface design. What is this? 284 ratings is huge. 282 pages. Wow, a lot of that is crazy. So yeah, I mean, this is what it's about, guys. This is what it's about. I definitely suggest you kind of have a look through. Have a look at this is how I think you should do it. Have a look at your specific niche, what you sell on Etsy, and then see the niche on Gumroad. Look at and see what kind of sales are being happening, and you can tell that from like the ratings. Look at how many listings there are in your niche, just to get a sort of idea. I mean, look at this. There's popular tags, graphic design, mockups, vector, and so on. Some of these, look at that. Mockup is 4,226 by the looks of it. Listings, just to give you an idea, which isn't too bad. Obviously, like I said, you can't compare it to Etsy. Etsy's got thousands upon thousands, of these, so, Etsy is a huge, massive marketplace. But obviously, this is just, you got to consider it as an alternative place where you can possibly get some kind of income streams, some kind of income. And if you've got loads of these alternatives, and there's a lot of alternatives, it's not just Gumroad, there's a lot of alternative places to sell digital products. And I'm going to do, and also if you want me to have a look at another one, just put down the name of another website that sells digital products, which I can just very quickly look at, and maybe even do a tutorial in terms of how to get your listing up. But like I said, if you do want actually to find out on like with regards to doing a listing on Gumroad, let me know. Just drop me a comment in the comment section, guys. But yeah, it's just this is just a very quick look at Gumroad, what it looks like, how it works, and possible kind of numbers on listings. Look, you can tell when you come over to Gumroad, you can see like when you go to all designs, what's good is it gives you like numbers here of listings here, and then it gives you the sub niches within the design here. So you've got all these ones. Look at icons. Here's some packs. Free fruits and vegetables. Images. Right, little icons. So you can imagine there can be like some clip art icons that you could sell, like these ones. You got these ratings here, and you got these prices for these other ones. Yeah, and you got your ratings. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you do want a tutorial, if you do want something else, then drop in the comments below. See you on the next one. Take care.